Hello everyone, I'm Defira. Today I want to tell you how to make fruit salad. How to make fruit salad is quite easy. The main ingredients needed are fruits. Today I use fruits: mango, wine, strawberry, dragon fruits, apple, and melon. The ingredients for the dressing is yogurt, condensed milk, mayonnaise, and cheese. And now to the tool, I'm use 2 bowl, 2 spoon, and grated cheese. Now let's get started. First step, grab another bowl and spoon. Add 1 glass yogurt, and 3 tablespoons mayonnaise. 1, 2, 3. And add 3 tablespoons condensed milk. 1, 2, 3. And then stir until all ingredients evenly mixed. Finish. Next, prepare a bowl and spoon and mix all the fruits into the bowl. Mango, melon, apple, dragon fruits, strawberry, and wine. Step number 3. Pour fruit with sauce. And mix all together. After it fully mixed, grate a bowl of grated cheese. You can also add topping like fruits or any others. And finished, the yummy fruit salad is ready to be served. Thank you.